Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a photo collage of like a sports theme. I'll just be doing like a few pictures. I won't be doing a lot because it's going to take so long to do this tutorial. So I'm just going to go to elements first and I'm just going to type in frame. And I'll just do this. I'll do like square frames here just to create like a 4 by 4 collage. There we go. And then I'm just going to also add in a square, like a rectangle shape, and I'll just put it in the middle for the text, like here, I guess. I'm just going to color it gray for the moment. And then I'm going to duplicate this, hold on. And then here I'm just going to remove the pictures. And then I'm going to add a text box. I'll just type in the word sport. Let's see if there's any sporty. Also going to add some line spacing to that. Oops, letter spacing, sorry. And I'm going to change it to like a sporty font. Not that either. Maybe. I think we should, wait, hold on. Maybe like varsity. Let's do like a solid one. I want that, but like thicker. Okay, that should be good enough. Let me just adjust the letter spacing here. And let me just make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And then I am going to remove the O here, but I'll just leave like a spacing here. And I'm just going to go to elements and I'll find like a basketball or maybe something. Let's do basketball here. And then let's do this one. Okay, hold on. Let me make sure this is fitted properly. Like that. Okay. Let me add more spacing, just a little bit. Like that. Okay. Now, once you're done, you are going to find images. I'm just going to also adjust the transparency so you guys can see later. I'll just do basketball and let's go to photos and just add in some like photos of basketball here. Okay, maybe not this. Can't even see that. Like this one maybe. And then let's do this for the O. I should probably put this behind the text so I know like where it's gonna go later. Let me just lock this, okay? So that's very annoying. Okay, or not. How am I supposed to do this? Hold on. Okay, and then do this. Okay, that's good enough. That's where I want it to be. Okay, and then let's do the R. Let's do this. Okay, I want to crop this. Okay, that's good. And then lastly for the T, let's do this one. Okay. Now what you're going to want to do is, let me just remove the text first and the like ball here. How am I meant to do that? Okay. So the text and the ball, just group that. And then I'm just going to place this behind the image first. Like that. And then I'm going to export just the image here. So download this. And then just do the second page, of course. Then, oh my gosh, tutorial is taking a long time, sorry. I'm going to add the text. And then I'm just going to adjust the transparency again. Let me remove the pictures. Oop. Wait, let me remove the pictures first. Wait, where's the ball? I thought I... Okay. Okay, hopefully it's still in the same spot because I don't remember if I'm going to be for reals. Like that. And I'm just going to remove the like line behind that. I might move it just a little bit like this. And then I'm just going to save that as well. Cool. Let me remove everything here. And I'm just going to open up the pictures and drag it over here. Make sure they're the same like images as well. Oh, hello. Just put that there. Make sure they're the same size. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to grab this one. Let's do blend image. If you can't find it, it's in the app section. I'll just blend image here. So bottom layer, you selected image, which is this one. And then, whoops. And then put that on top. And then top layer, you selected image, which is this one. And then here, just do, I guess, screen, add to design. And then you're going to want to put it here. Is there a way to remove background on this? Hopefully. If not, I think I'm just going to make the image transparent. Okay, perfect. I can actually do that. It's not perfect, but if you want it to be more perfect, you can. But I'll just do it later. And you're just going to adjust it to the images here. So here I'm going to then add more like images and collages and stuff. Let's do like this, and then let's do this. And then let's do this and this. Let me, hold on. Maybe like a basket. Let's just do this. Okay. Then you're going to select this, go to edit, and you're going to go to the effects, add shadow, add in an outline, and make the color of the outline white. Like so. And if you want like a line through it, you can add in a square, like a rectangle, sorry, here in the middle. Make that white. Place it behind the text like this. Like that. And that is it for this video. I know it took so long, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.